Of course, he understands because, again, we have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve. So, he was very understanding with it, and it went well. Ayun, madaming chikahan sa about family matters, and then to the point na sinabi niya na ang dami ng alam ng nakikinig dito. Ayun, tumawa lang ako. It was light. It was well, magaan naman talaga siyang kausap. So it was light, but it was also very emotional because I'm only gonna be here for another 2 weeks before I go back and continue with my education, with work, and with the other personal matters that I have to attend to. So he understood that also. And then I told him na, he told me kasi na it's okay if you are lonely, you just go home to your mama Hanilat and to Mira. But then I told him na, I don't worry about me, I'm okay, my home is wherever you are. So, ayun, he smiled, he was happy to hear that. But he also reminded me that I do have to prioritize my responsibilities also because I have a life as a 21-year-old. And I said, yes, of course, in 2 weeks I will be back home. And then the rotation of visits from the different family members will continue as usual. So, ayun, we are just hoping for good news.
So, in 2 weeks time when you leave, sino pong papalit?
We are not sure pa, attorney, kasi ayun nga. That's why I heard that he was, kaya medyo, kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday. And of course, I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just, the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU, but he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever, and I am okay, do not worry about me. So, ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon, that's why I was able to visit, and kagaya, nakita nila kanina na late na naman ng konti. So, well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning. So, I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m. and then I had to rush here. So,
good naman na inaalaw kayo ng online.
For now, it's online talaga because of the situation in the Philippines,
The rain and flood.
Sana yung nila, bakit ganun yung... Well, bahala na sila, I won't talk about it. But ayun, all I can say that is he's good, he's healthy and thankful and happy that, he has family who loves him. And ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na, kaming lahat, will drop anything and everything to be here with him. So,
okay.
Yeah, he was happy to hear that. So he's okay, Tatay Digong is okay. I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the prison guards.
Namimiss niya masahe ni Kong Kulo.
Yes, ayun nga, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling, pero sige lang, maybe before I leave,